Channel Maths and Methods Academy. Today we are going to solve an exponential equation which is 5 raised to power 1 plus x plus 5 raised to power 1 minus x is equal to 26. So let's get on with our solution. We can rewrite the given equation as 5 raised to power 5 multiplied by 5 raised to power x plus 5 multiplied by 5 raised to power minus x is equal to 26. It can be again written as 5 into 5 raised to power x plus 5 over 5 raised to power x is equal to 26. Here we will try to get rid of exponential part of this equation. For that we will assume y is equal to 5x, 5 raised to power x. Okay, by substituting y in equation 1, which is this one, the equation becomes like 5y plus 5 over y is equal to 26. Now we will multiply both sides of the equation with y in order to get rid of the y in denominator of the second term. So let's multiply it by y. So 5y into y is 5y square, then plus 5 is equal to 26y. We will shift all the terms of the equation on one side, so it will look like 5y square minus 26y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now, as it is very obvious, it's a quadratic equation and we can solve this equation with the help of a quadratic formula. So let's compare this equation with the general form of the quadratic equation, which looks like a y squared plus by plus c is equal to 0. When we compare these two equations, we come to know that a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 26. Never forget to take the minus sign along with the number if it is there. Okay, and c is equal to 5. So a is 5, b is equal to minus 26 and c is equal to 5. Our quadratic formula is y is equal to minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Now we will substitute the values of a, b and c into this formula. So y is equal to minus into value of b, which is minus 26, plus minus square of minus 26 minus 4 into value of a, which is 5, and then the value of c, which is again 5. Divided by 2 multiplied by 5. Let us solve this equation now. Minus into minus 26 is positive 26. Square of 26 is 676. Okay, even minus 26 square will also be 676. Minus 4 multiplied by 5, which is 20, and then 20 into 5 is 100. 2 into 5 is 10. So y is equal to 26 plus minus 676 minus 100 will be 576. The square root of 576 is 24 over 10. Now y will have two values. Y is equal to 26 plus 24 over 10, or y is equal to 26 minus 24 over 10. So y is equal to 50 over 10, or y is equal to 2 over 10. So the final values of y are 5 and 1 over 5. But earlier in this question we assume that y is equal to 5 raised to power x. Here we will replace back this value of y. So we will write here 5 raised to power x is equal to 5, or y is equal, 5 raised to power x is equal to 1 over 5. These two equations can be written as 5 raised to power x is equal to 5 raised to power 1, or 5 raised to power x is equal to 5 raised to power minus 1. Since the bases in both the equations on left and right side are equal, so their power will also be equal, which means in the first case x is equal to 1 and or x is equal to minus 1 in the second case. So this brings us to our solution. We will write our solution set. Is equal to 1 and minus 1. That's all for now. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. Until next time, take care of yourself and bye bye.